Here we are. We have just arrived at Venice and we are following Renata, our guide, to the water bus that will take us to the centre of Venice.
In Rome, black,
And that's, as I said, the Norwegian Jade cruise ship in behind there. And we're on the water bus out of Venice, or going round Venice to get to St. Mark's Square. And this is the Norwegian Jade cruise ship.
The approach to the open sea is situated behind an island called Lido. And that island is the only island where you can use a car in Venice. That island separates the lagoon from the open sea.
5 cruise ships in at the minute.
Green boat just in front of us transports garbage, so everything has to be transported by boat.
The Seabourn Odyssey just over here.
The coffin, the boat. Also the fire brigade uses boats as well. An ambulance is a boat. Everything has to be brought in by boat as well. And that makes the cost of transport, cost of everything, extremely high, the cost of transport. So we'll turn to the left. We are entering in a channel called Canale della Giudecca, the Giudecca Canal, which is the deepest of all the canals in Venice.
Costa
Depth of
Mediterranean.
about 13 meters, deep enough for these big cruise liners. And this ferry boat on the left comes from the island Lido. The only island among the 118 islands where you can use a car, a bicycle, a moped, cats and dogs. But we have been lucky during our boat trip. So this is the beginning of a canal named Canale della Giudecca. Port of Venice at the moment. First. Destroyed after the fall of the Western Roman Empire, and the refugees have been able to transport. That's the Aer Lingus flight. I would also be travel department in Venice at least 35 times a year, and I always come back to Venice during the season. See that green tiny tower on the right, and over the green roof there is a suite where Michelle Obama spent a few nights last year. She was on a cruise camp in July.
This is policing Italian style, Venetian style.
Becomes regional food. And this tradition is celebrated since the 16th century. It started about 500 years ago with the construction of a bridge, only for 2 days, and during the 3rd weekend of July. Yes, I mentioned people who used to work at these salt works, their wage was called a salario, a salary. As the people who used to work in these salt works, they were not paid with money. Their wage consisted in salt, in salt. So the people who used to work in these salt works were paid with white gold. And from there comes the word salario. This wage was called salario.
Catamaran,
as it was not money, it was salt. Salario. This word is known in other languages languages as well. Salary, salarium, salaris. Yes, the end of the Grand Canal behind that second flat building where you see the French flag. Unfortunately, another disaster in
Nice.
France yesterday evening. Nice, 80 people. Terrorism. In Nice. National bank holiday in Paris yesterday. And a lorry passed along the boulevard. 80 people. Very, very sad. That's the reason why you see the French flag half-mast on the left, close to the beginning of the Grand Canal.
French flag at half-mast in honour of the people who died yesterday at Nice in a terrorist attack at a firework display.
That's the end of the Grand Canal, the famous merchants in Venice. And on your left-hand side, that building with the pointed arches, that's the Doge's Palace. I brainwashed you this morning with the pillar top by the lion. So at the corner of the Doge's Palace, you can see the pillar top by the lion. On the very first one, you see a white statue with a dragon, and that was the first patron saint of Venice, San Giorgio, of Greek origins. And on pillar number 2, beside the building with the pointed arches, you can see your main landmark. So that has to be your main landmark for the way back to Hotel Brione. The pillar with the lion, and then the 4 bridges. Yes, this boat on the left comes from Croatia.
The Adriatic jet. Very
Day
strange looking boat. Catamaran.
Yes, it takes about 2.5 hours for them as well by boat from Slovenia and Croatia to get to Venice. After that statue, close to that scaffolding, you can see bridge number 3. The church is allowed to advertise with their name on the scaffoldings. Between the 4 bridges, you will find street vendors. The street vendors try to sell you fake sunglasses, selfie sticks, fake handbags. You are not allowed to purchase from these street vendors. You can recognize the